We are starting continuing our assignment from the last couple of weeks. Again, we are going to homestyler.com. You should know this website by now, hopefully. I'm clicking on home. Again, just showing you how we log in. You probably should be logged in already. I'm going to click on start designing. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to load. Hopefully it's it takes a shorter time for you. Now we play the waiting game. There it is. Now, remember, you don't have to type in your email. Just click on this G. If you have to sign in, if you're already logged in, guess what? Skip this step. I'm clicking on my email, and it's gonna teach me the beginner's guide. Honestly, y'all, if you want to watch this, I suggest you could watch this. This might be a good thing, especially as we get into the inside of our house. Right? I may have shown you how to add furniture. We really want to decorate our house now, maybe change some of the inside a little bit. But for now, I'm going to click on that X. I'm going to open up, let's see, I'm going to open up my apartment. I have a couple of different designs. I'm going to pick the one that we have been designing for a while now. Excuse me. Okay, so you should have this. And I know I do want to say if your design looks a little different than this, that's okay. I'm not gonna take points off. I just want you to know how to use the tools, and if you want to change it up, if you want to make this more into a house, by all means do so. And if you just realize that you could do that, then guess what? Today and next week, you have a chance to kind of just update your house to make it look different, to make it look cool. Okay, and what I want to focus on today, I'm going to go out to the left. We've used all of these tools, or most of these tools, I should say, not all of them. I'm going to click on Model Library. And see how we have lights, we have all sorts of stuff. I'm going to actually click on, there we go, Construction. And it's going to take me to all different types of things. Wall openings, doors, the environment, windows, ceilings, and all sorts of things. I'm actually going to click on catalog. Sorry about that. Catalog. So we're going to model library and then we're going to catalog. If we slide over, we have some pretty cool things. And I'm going to start designing my bedroom a little bit. So I'm going to click on that. Get some things to pop up. Let's see. I want to put a cool bedroom. Ooh, a bunk bed. If you ever seen Step Brothers, I'm not going to add a bunk bed to my bedroom. You could if you want. No judgment. Let's see. There's a lot of good bunk beds. That's kind of weird. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna go to catalog again. Maybe there's a master bedroom or a main bedroom. There's not. Okay, just wanted to double check. So I'm gonna go back to bedroom. Let's see. That looks okay. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna add this one. So notice how now it wants to add my bed. I can add it in this view. I can click this button and go into the 3D view. Sometimes it's a little easier to add it in this view. And then I could just basically put it in whatever spot I want it to be in. I kind of want it this way. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Notice how I can make it bigger. Y'all, I'm not very tall, but I need a big bed. That'd be nice. Now, I'm going to switch over here. Click on this button. And now I can see it. I could even move it in here. Again, I can move it up. I don't really want to click on that button and move it up. If I click on the green button, it's going to move it this way. If I click on the red button, it's going to move it this way. If I click here, I can rotate it a little bit. But again, I don't want to do that. I'm going to just undo that. So just a way to show you. I'm going to keep adding stuff in this view. So I added my bed. If you want to add another bed, y'all, by all means do that. I'm going to add a drawer. Let's see, can I put it right there? Yep. Then I'm going to add, I'm going to add a couple things. Ooh, I have a lot of clothes, so I'm going to add one more of these. Maybe put it against the bed here. And see, it's not really turning, so I'm going to turn it on its own. Now I'm going to rotate it by clicking that arrow, and then I'm going to move it again. That's pretty close. Now what else? Do I want to add a mirror? Oh, this looks kind of cool. Set a full-length mirror. I'm just kind of looking what we got here. I do want a funky mirror. Probably not. Those funky mirrors, you want to be able to look at yourself, see if you're looking sharp. Let's go with this one. Just gonna add it in the corner somewhere. What else? I have a lot of drawers already. I feel pretty comfortable. This is a cool bed. Maybe if you like that. All right, I feel pretty good there. I'm gonna go back to catalog. Let's see, do I want mirrors? Do I want regular beds, dressers, accessories? What kind of accessories can we get? Okay, so I could maybe add a desk if I wanted to. Add some pencils. I'm gonna put some pencils up on my drawer right there. So I'm gonna click down. All right, let's check out my room one more time. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. And y'all, what you could also do, like right now we're in 3D view. I can click on this room and then I'm gonna go to single room mode. It's just gonna show me, or I guess it won't show me that room. There we go. It's just showing me that room, none of the other ones. I could see I added my pencils to the top of my drawers. I have my mirror there. I have my two drawers there. I made my bed a little bigger. Still a little plain, but not bad. Not terrible. Here, I'm gonna add this thing right at the edge of this. What else? Let's see if there's anything else, anything cool. This is interesting for whatever reason. I'm just gonna add it up there. Let's see. Ooh, we can make it Christmas in here. I might make it Christmas in the main room. So again, there's a lot of sculptures and stuff. I'm just gonna add some random stuff, y'all. And this is up to you. You could pick what you like. This is when you start designing your own thing. And then here, we need a weight scale. Put that on the floor somewhere. Some books. Oh, some photo frames. Oops, don't want that. I'm gonna scroll that way. I'm gonna put some photo frames up here. So I'm gonna do that one more time. Put that there. There it is. Put it up here. Okay, I'm gonna exit single room so I can go to another room, and then I'm gonna switch over so I can see the plan view. So I had a lot of little things in there. I'm gonna go back to catalog. Now let's see. We're not in the kitchen, but I'm gonna add, I know this is not an office, but I'm gonna add some bookshelves. Maybe a computer in here. So I'm gonna click on that. Let's see if I like any of these bookshelves. And again, y'all, this is not picky. I'm not gonna judge what you pick. I just want you to, honestly, you're designing your own house right now, right? This is your dream house. I'm gonna pick this bookshelf. Oh, it's not the same color. You know what, Mr. B, that's fine. Whatever. And I'm gonna rotate this. Flip that. Oh, okay. I can't do that. Can I? I guess I can't do that. I'm just moving it a little bit over. Added a bookshelf. Maybe I can add one more bookshelf. There's a cool one. Ooh, like that one. I guess my room's a little too big for like, I feel like I don't have enough things in my room. Oh, and a computer, right? I was going to do a computer. So I'm going back to catalog. Going to computer this time. You know what? I'm going to go back to catalog, and instead, I want to see everything. I want to see the office. You know what? I decided I want a desk. And y'all, it's going to be a lot of this. You're going to be deciding what you want. So I want a desk. And now you get to pick a cool desk. I like this standing one. Looks like a standing desk. I'm going to put it right there. Actually, maybe this one. Might match my color a little bit more. Don't judge my decisions here. I mean, you can. Sure, why not judge them? But like, you know, if the colors aren't exactly perfect, I'm sorry. Look, I want this cool laptop. And I'm going to flip it over so I could actually see it. Right, this little arrow kind of flips it. And I'm going to leave it there. Now, I'm going to go back into my room. I'm going to go into my single room mode so it doesn't click out of it. Look at that, I added a desk. I added some books, bookshelf, an empty bookshelf over here. There's my mirror, moved it. I know what you're thinking. Still looks a little plain, sure. Now, if I click on finish, guess what? I can also change. I can change the flooring. I can add some tile. I can change the wallpaper, maybe the color of the room there. So it's a lot of cool things that we could do here. I'm going to give you, again, the next 2 weeks to decide what you want to do. This could change for you. Is that for the, there we go. See, I just changed the flooring a little bit. It's a little too conflicting if you ask me. Do I want to go straight tile? You know, I like that one. Oh, that looks weird. You know what, I'm going this one. I made my decision. There it is, I'm sticking with it. Let's see, what is other? You might come up to some stuff. Oh, I could put grass here technically. I could put a brick wall. What if I make this a brick wall? And look, it's telling me if I click on, I'm gonna make, so if I click, like I do there, it's gonna make everything brick. I don't want that. So I'm gonna click back on the wall, the brick wall. Notice how it's giving me press that button to pave only one wall. So I'm gonna press that button, and I'm only gonna make one wall that color. Now, let's see. See, now it kind of looks a little different. You know what, I'm gonna undo that, y'all, and instead, one sec, I'm gonna have to look at this wall. I'm gonna make this wall brick over here. There it is. I like that better. You might not like it, and that's okay. That's what you like. I'm kind of designing my own thing here. Now, I'm gonna exit single room. Y'all, you can do whatever you want with each of the rooms. I'm gonna click back on plan view. I added a sofa last time. You may or may not have added it. I'm gonna go into living room, and I'm gonna trick out my sofa. Look, I'm gonna add this painting. Let's see, or is it a carpet? Is it a carpet? It might be a carpet. I think it is a carpet. So I'm gonna add carpet. I'm gonna add this bookshelf over here. And then I'm gonna add a guitar in the corner. Just trying to be cool. I don't even play guitar. You know what? I'm gonna add another guitar because Mr. B wants to be cool like that. I'm gonna add a piano. And then I'm gonna make it a little bigger. And do I want a fireplace? Do I want another love seat or a sofa? I guess that's technically a sofa. This is where my TV is gonna go. Oh, that's not straight. So I'm gonna move it a little bit. There it is. That's a little more centered. Now, is there a TV in here? That'll be the last thing I add. I'm gonna go back to catalog, living room. Do I see TV? Media units, maybe that's it. Oh no, that's where you could place the TV. And see, there might not be a TV here. I think you could find it. Let's do that. Oh, those are And a lot of this, y'all, look, you'll figure out some things that I probably won't show you, which is cool. That's totally fine. Console tables, what is that? That seems pretty cool. Not as fancy as I thought it was. Or I guess too fancy, honestly. Accessories. Maybe you want to add some super, super cool. Oh, look at this. It's like a little amp. Or, I don't know, like a little audio desk. Look, I'm going to add a bike. Because guess what? I like to bike places. I'm just adding all sorts of things. Can I find the TV? That's the one thing I want and need. Look, if you find it, like props to you. Oh, there it is. Electronics. Oh, duh. Look, I'm going to watch. What do we watch in one of these? All right. So I'm going to add it. Let's do it. I'm going to go in. I'm going to click on 3D. I'm going to switch back. I am inside my living room right now. And notice it was kind of all over the place. I can click here. Let's say I want to go to the kitchen. Click in the kitchen. Then you can scroll in the kitchen. Right now there's nothing in the kitchen, but there is stuff in the living room. So again, I'm going to go back to the living room. If I click on it, there's the bike. Yo, look at that. Look at the TV. Okay. Okay. Looks super fancy. That chair is hilarious. My guitars are facing away, but whatever. So, I'm going to pause the video here, y'all. Make sure to go through your bedroom, your kitchen. Again, if you don't finish today, we're still going to have next week to work on it and to really, really trick out your house. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy your weekend, y'all. See y'all later. Bye.